Welcome, and thank you for obtaining a New York statutory disability and paid family leave policy, which Standard Security Life Insurance Company. This video will show you how to obtain a Notice of Compliance form on our website. Notice of Compliance forms are for an employer to post in a highly visible area for employees to see within their workplace. These forms need to be downloaded each year directly from our website. After logging into the website, please move your mouse over the word policy, just to the left of the welcome header to access the drop-down policy menu. Select Download Notice of Compliance and you'll be taken to the Generate Posting Notice page. If registered for more than one policy, please select a policy number from the drop-down list. This page allows you to download both the DBL and PFL posters individually by clicking on each of the View Posting Notice box for each type of coverage. Depending on your web browser settings, you'll have the option to either save the document or a copy of the document will appear for you to then choose to download and save. Once you print the forms, they should then be posted in a highly visible area for employees to see within their workplace. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded your Notice of Compliance forms. If you would like to view any of our other free step-by-step video guides on how to navigate through our website, please see the options available below this video. Thank you for watching.